Welcome to Business Information Systems. This video introduces the MBA module taught by Nottingham University Business School. However, if you've come across this by browsing the web, I hope you find it interesting as well. The strapline for this module is Digital Literacy and New Business Thinking for an Interconnected World. What this means is that we're not going to study traditional MIS topics such as hardware, software and systems development. Rather, the intention is to engage you with cutting-edge concepts and debates surrounding the business application of computing and the Internet. A key anchor for us is the concept of Web squared. This involves an exponential growth in Internet usage as things as well as people get online, as well as the application of web-based thinking beyond the Internet. For more information, you can read my recent article in Computing or watch my Web Squared video. Web Squared involves four key elements of Web 2, open source, new business models and data mining, all wrapped up in the next online revolution of cloud computing. Web 2 is about establishing new connections between minds, as well as the use of web services to automatically link computers and organizations. Open source is then where new products and services are collaboratively developed across traditional boundaries, with all intellectual property in the public domain. Next, data mining is about discovering patterns hidden within data. This will be of increasing significance as more cameras and other sensors go online and start to feed companies with new kinds of information. Fourthly, new business models refers to alternative ways of creating value online. This is already starting to happen now that developments in software as a service are turning fixed costs into variable costs and levelling competitive playing fields. This in turn links to the concept of cloud computing, where individuals and organisations cease to install and maintain their own applications and instead acquire them on demand from the Internet cloud. Complementary to the key components of Web Squared are the four BIS module themes of IT-enabled change, web as platform, crowdsourcing and connected vision. In studying IT-enabled change, we will explore how computing developments can help organisations to alter their offerings, their back-end operations and their responses to new customer and worker expectations. In part, they may do this by recognising how the World Wide Web is taking over from the personal computer and the data centre as the key infrastructure or platform not just of computing, but of business itself. Smart individuals can already construct businesses online using web services, and the BIS module will explain in practical terms just how to do this. Our third module theme is crowdsourcing. Currently, crowdsourcing is where the Internet is used to throw a problem out to many people to harness collective intelligence. However, with the rise of the Internet of Things, business opportunities will soon also exist to crowdsource value from the data shadows of online objects. Imagine, for example, a sat-nav that plots your route home not only using an internal map, but also data on the real-time location of every other car on the road. Finally, connected vision is where the dynamic, real-time openness of web-based thinking starts to be used to help solve global problems, including climate change, peak oil and peak water. My contention is that by studying the development of and thinking behind the web, tomorrow's senior managers can learn best future business practice. Even if I'm wrong, the BIS module will teach you skills of great relevance in the modern workplace. And if I happen to be right, it will provide the conceptual foundation for the rest of your business career. But now that's it for this introduction, and I hope you find useful the other videos gathered here in the BIS YouTube channel.